Welcome to the Chocolate Academy Mumbai YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a smooth, lump-free cheesecake batter and how you can focus on the baking because these are the few common mistakes that everybody makes while making the cheesecake mixture. Let's get started. The first step is preparing the base. Crush the biscuits and add some melted butter to it. The approximate ratio is for 2 parts of butter, you take 5 parts of crushed biscuits. For example, for 100 grams of crushed biscuits, you take 40 grams of butter. Mix it well and press it firmly in a cake tin lined with aluminium foil. Let it set for a while and then pour the cheesecake batter inside. Let's go through the ingredients for the cheesecake mixture. 200 grams of cream cheese, 150 grams of 35% fat cream, 100 grams of condensed milk, 80 grams of dark chocolate, 3 grams of vanilla paste and 6 grams of corn flour. To make an absolutely smooth batter, in case if you have lumps, you can choose to blend the batter with a hand blender or you can also strain the batter with a sieve. This will ensure that you get an absolutely smooth batter and you don't see any lumps in the cheesecake even after it is baked and cut. Always remember to remove your cream cheese from the refrigerator at least half an hour to 45 minutes before you make the batter. This will ensure that the cream cheese mixes evenly and there are no lumps in your batter. Once the batter is made, pour it in your prepared cake tin, which is lined with aluminium foil and has a biscuit base. When you put the cheesecake for baking, make sure that you put a bowl of water along with the tray on which the cheesecake is placed. Bake the cheesecake at 150 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Once the cheesecake is baked, let it cool down properly. Cut the cheesecake in the desired style and use your choice of garnish and serve it. To get the best flavor from the cheesecake, make sure that it is not served directly from the refrigerator. Keep it outside for a while and it is best served at approximately 20 degrees Celsius. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating this recipe for you. For more such amazing recipes, tips and tricks, follow us and subscribe to the Chocolate Academy Mumbai YouTube channel. Happy baking!